talk about using document templates for wireframes, prototypes, and documents, using Adobe Bridge to batch process images for fireworks, adding metadata to image files, saving fireworks files so that you can edit them in Photoshop, and opening Photoshop PSD files in Fireworks. In the last lesson, we talked about building a prototype from scratch. However, Fireworks also offers templates that you can use that include wireframes and website prototype samples. To use a template, go to File, New from Template. You'll then see the New from Template dialog box. Select the type of template you want to use by opening the folder. You can choose from document presets, which include common document sizes, grid systems, which include grid layouts, mobile, web, and wireframes. Let's open the web folder. As you can see, Fireworks offers you two website prototype templates. You can select one of those to use and then click the Open button, or you can go back to view other types of templates. Let's go back, and this time let's view the wireframes. Let's open the restaurant wireframe to get an idea of what that might look like. Adobe Bridge is automatically installed whenever you purchase the Fireworks Creative Suite. Adobe Bridge is a companion program to several Adobe products. When it comes to Fireworks, Bridge will help you view, sort, and open images to save you time. Let's see how it works. Go to File, Browse in Bridge. Adobe Bridge will then open. Go to the Workspace switcher in Bridge and click on the film strip. Now go to the Folders tab on the left side of the Bridge window. Navigate to the folder that contains images that you want to use in Fireworks. Let's click on the Lesson 12 Asset 1 folder. At the bottom of the Bridge window, you'll see the contents of that folder. When you click on any image, you'll see the large version of it in the Preview section of Bridge. You can use Bridge to batch process these images for use in Fireworks. You can resize, optimize, and rename the image files. To use batch processing in Bridge, Control or Command-click on the files that you want to process in the Content section. Go to Tools, Fireworks, Batch Process. You'll then see the Batch Process dialog box. All of the images that you selected are listed in the dialog box. Click the Next button. Select Batch Options from the left column and then click the Add button to add them to include in the Batch column. Now click Scale from the right column and select an option at the bottom. Now set the values. Use the Export option to export the images to a folder that you specify. Click the Batch button when you're finished. Metadata is simply extra information about a file. It can include data such as keywords, the author, copyright, and other information that's relevant to the file that you may need now or in the future. The Adobe XMP or Extensible Metadata platform lets you add such data to saved PNG, JPEG, GIF, TIFF, and PSD files. To add metadata, go to File, File Info. Add the document title and the author of the document in the Description tab. You can also include things like the title of the author, a description of the file, who wrote the description, and keywords that describe the contents of the file. In addition, you can add a copyright or list it as in the public domain. Under the IPTC tab, you can add more contact information. You can also establish a creation date by clicking the calendar icon in the IPTC image section. Click OK when you're finished adding metadata. A lot of the features in a Fireworks file are editable in Photoshop. Things such as layers, live effects, masked objects, and text can be edited in Adobe Photoshop. However, you must save the Fireworks file in PSD format. If you save it in the standard PNG format, Fireworks will flatten the layers in the document into just one layer. If that happens, you won't be able to edit in Photoshop. To save a file so you can edit it in Photoshop, go to File, Save As. In the Save As dialog box, go to the Save As Copy field and select Photoshop PSD from the drop-down menu. Click Save to save the file. Also, make sure you save a PNG copy of your original Fireworks file, just in case you need it later. To open Photoshop files in Fireworks, go to File, Open, then locate the file. Fireworks will support Photoshop layers, layer groups, styles, vector layers, and common blending modes. You'll then see the Photoshop File Open Options dialog box. We're going to choose Maintain Editability over Appearance from the drop-down menu. Click OK when you're finished. In addition, by going to Edit Preferences, then clicking on the Photoshop Import Open category, you can define how Fireworks opens or imports Photoshop files.